So today, I just wanted to go through some of the benefits of using the Microsoft Azure platform for small and medium-sized businesses. Now, first and foremost, Microsoft Azure is a beast of a product. It can do loads and loads of funky, clever stuff, a lot of which won't be applicable to small and medium-sized businesses. So I'm not going to get bogged down with Azure overall on this particular video. What I want to hone in on is the ability to back up files, folders, and servers using the Microsoft Azure Backup facility. So just wanted to outline the clear scope for this video so people don't think, well, there's so much more to Azure, why have you not talked about it? So one feature is within Azure is the backup tool, and it's a really great way of backing up all of your critical files and data to Microsoft's Azure platform automatically, without you having to do much more than just install and configure the product. It's really quick and easy to use. It's easy to set up. It's fully automated if you've configured it properly. And in the grand scheme of things, it's relatively cheap to use as well. What it gives you is an automatic off-site backup of all of your files and critical data on your computer or on your server. And it backs it up to the Microsoft Azure platform. Now, you may be wondering what that is. Basically, it's Microsoft's cloud platform. So it's like you having your own server in your office, but it's kind of hosted with Microsoft. You can't physically see it and touch it, but it will exist somewhere in one of their vast data centers spread across many different servers. It will still exist, but you're using the internet to get it there. Hence, it's often referred to as a cloud platform. The other benefits that using this kind of tool will give you is protection against theft or damage to your computers or servers. And more commonly these days, it gives you an extra line of defense against things like ransomware and crypto lockers, which try and hijack your data, stop you accessing it, and then you're made to pay a ransom, which is often a Bitcoin, to get your data back. It protects you from all that kind of stuff, because should that happen, yeah, it's a pain, but you reload your computer, you grab your backup from the day before, and off you go again. It's just not the end of the world. Because it's all provided by Microsoft, the back-end service, it's nice and compliant and it's nice and secure. Now, I know Linux people and Mac people are going to scoff and go, oh, it's not as secure as our platforms. I don't even want to get into that on this. It is secure. There is a nice level of encryption there, specifically when it comes to the backup side of stuff. So it's all recognized, and things like Cyber Essentials would have no problem you using this service and you getting that accreditation. Now, it is a paid for service. You pay for what you get, as with anything. In the grand scheme of things, though, compared with some other backup solutions, it is relatively cheap. You still get, the more data you've got, the more it is going to cost you. There's no getting away from that. But in the grand scheme of things, the peace of mind and the kind of the backup it gives your business to continue running in the event of something really bad happening is well worth it. And like I said, in the grand scheme of things, it's really not that much. So please do check out Microsoft Azure Backup and Microsoft's overall backup solutions. They're really quick and easy to set up. Companies like ourselves, no issue getting you up and running, and most of the companies will get you up and running, no problem at all with this kind of thing. So that's it for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, help the older YouTube algorithm, subscribe to our videos, which we're hoping to push out a couple of every week now. Check us out over on Twitter and Instagram and LinkedIn. All the links are in our YouTube profile. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.